It might be shitty, who knows?
Well, that's deer tracks.
Might be thick. Hell yeah! Still ripping that baby.
Here we go.
Oh, that's fun. You're in two. She's in two.
She's showing you up, boys! She's showing you up!
She's got it!
Woo!
Try four! Try four! Four by four!
You're two-wheel drive!
Oh, fuck, I am!
Oh, you did awesome!
You just about did her in two!
That was awesome!
Big one!
Yeah, it was!
You'll get her now.
Yeah, now that way, yeah!
There you go. Yeah. Well, here comes the trail bike. Let's see what happens. What the fuck happened there?
I saw it! The bike started floating backwards!
That was fucked!
It was floating!
That was the strangest thing I ever seen.
Yeah,
There you
you're
go.
in it.
Yeah, we've all had to do that move. You got her.
Boy, that boy.
Piece of cake. Here's where Troy's gonna shine. Wrong place to go, Frog. Look at that spider right on top. This is where Troy shines. Look at that wall of water.
Trying to two-wheel?
He's just crawling. Yes, sir. Nice.
Oh, it's in 4. Look, it's in 4.
Oh, you lost your shoe? Oh, is it in the butt? Is it in the side?
This should float. It's stuck in it.
It's in the mud.
Oh, right up to your waist and
fuck.
this shit.
Yeah.
Woo! For
Got
I
her.
would have left the shoe.
No, I know it's in 4. I was just going like,
Well, I thought you were saying you're in two-wheel drive.
no. Chrissy did 2-wheel. No, I laughed my ass
I know,
off.
it was great.
Was he showing them up? I thought you almost had it too.
I know. It's all right over there.
And I gotta walk all the way back. Of course, I'll get up there, everyone will be gone. Look out, frogs. Be nice to actually wheelie this whole thing, but I don't think she's quite deep enough. Oh, I've been through this one many times. It's okay till you get to the end. I can't believe she almost made it.
Fun to hold her sometimes, right? Too, right? All especially all day. Huh?
Good shit. Yeah, this will be dry in here, no doubt. No doubt in my mind she'll be dry. Oh, what's going on there? There you go.
Wow.
Winch out! Just winch out!
Oh, we're into the peanut butter. Yeah.
That looks nasty, buddy! That looks freaking nasty. He did that just stop. He hasn't moved a foot since he hit it.
That's that one hole, eh?
Yeah,
That That's like brake part shit right there, buddy.
Hey, she should be able to get a trail off to that side. Yeah, pretty sure. Either that or right over here somewhere. Yeah. Just from where she is. If she heads over that way, there should be something. Maybe just walk it quick. But yeah, that one. Yeah.
Take that trail.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what it's like, but it's not this. I know that much.
Wow.
Yeah. You're gonna be dirty when you come out the other side. That's nasty.
What do you think?
I know I'm not going that way.
I kind of.
Yeah.
You gonna try this one, Phil?
Yeah, probably is a good idea.
All right. Yeah.
Well, he hit it in two.
Yeah.
By mistake, so.
If you're in four-wheel drive and you go into it, you're all right. Usually. But I let it sink in two before I...
If you stop, we just winch out. Easy enough.
But you gotta let her fly, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, he's over it.
Yeah. Yeah, you just crawl through it. Ain't nothing. This is what it's going to be like up there. No water, just muck.
Muck.
Just muck.
Nice. Just walk through it.
That was great. I caught this right out of the air. Ooh. Too funny. Oh, my bike's still going.
I just bottomed out there.
Yeah, that tire didn't even move though.
Really?
Until the end, and then it finally went whoop.
Yeah. Cisco. Yeah. Cisco. Visco and Ogo.